Welcome back to my channel. It's Najah Tai. Today we're going to be doing this natural everyday look, so if you guys would love to see how I did this, stay tuned. So just a disclaimer, excuse the pimple, but I always start off with my eyebrows. Eyebrows are always first. I use the HD gel liner by Ruby Kisses in the color dark brown. I always fill those in and then blend them together. Next, it's time to conceal our brows. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color medium beige mixed with the HD Flawless Absolute New York and blend those in around my eyebrows. Next, it's time for foundation. I use the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the color 360 Mocha and just blend that in. I don't blend it in all around my face. I only take it so far down just because I don't like the way it looks. It looks too cakey when I put it all over my face. Next is my favorite part, highlighting. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut and blend that in my face. When I blend my nose, I use my finger just because I like the way that it does better than a brush. Next, it's time for setting our face and our eyeshadow. I use the 3D Contour Artist Powder from the beauty supply store to set my face. For my eyeshadow, I use an old Avon blush, kind of like a rose or a deep red, I guess wine color, and then set it on top with a brown eyeshadow. Next, I contour with the CoverGirl Queen collection in the color Q750. And you can't forget your gel eyeliner and lashes. These are Ardell lashes. Don't remember what kind they were. And last but not least, blush. And that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys want to see more things, hair tutorials, anything. Leave it down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I gon' hop out and walk in and go up. I gon' hop out and walk in.